Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image to a mockup in Figma quickly and easily. This method works great for presentations, portfolios, and sharing your designs in a professional way. Let's get started. First, open Figma and make sure your design or image is already prepared on the canvas. Next, right-click anywhere in the workspace, go to Plugins, then open Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Mockup and install the Mockup plugin by Gregory and IS Graphics. This plugin gives you access to multiple device and scene mockups, including free options. Now choose the mockup you want to use. Before inserting your design, check that your design's screen ratio matches the mockup screen. You can do this by selecting the mockup screen and comparing it with your design frame. If needed, resize your design so everything fits correctly. After that, click on the mockup image, select your design frame, and apply the mockup. Adjust the position and size so the design sits naturally inside the mockup screen. Once you're happy with the placement, your mockup is ready. You can now export it or use it in presentations, social media, or client previews. And that's how you add an image to a mockup in Figma in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.